Hey guys, what's up? It's Mario T, beatboxer from the Mushroom Kingdom, and today in this video, I said I would have to complete the PVZ 1 trophies in order to do before I even do this shit, but I realized that it might take a while, so we're gonna go ahead and skip ahead to tutorial video on how to get the DLC edition installed. So, but guys, if you if you want to help me out in support, go support my GoFundMe. It would mean the world to me if we could get to a couple donations. So if we can get to a couple donations, then that would mean the world to me. But anyways, onto the tutorial video. So today we're going to showcase how you can install PVZ DLC Edition. And once again, before we begin, leave a like on this video as always. Click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a brand new video. But anyways, what you want to do is type in PVZ DLC so you want to go here, and it'll get your game installed. It'll get the mod installed. So we'll go ahead and wait for it to get done installing. So for those who want to help out my campaign, go ahead and donate. But anyways, I might have a second campaign to also help with the situation because I'm going to have unlimited money with 2 campaigns. So what you want to do is take this, cut it, put it in here, and click paste, and then extract all. And you should get all the patches that come with it as well. So like a EA patch, OG patch, or Steam patch. So here's what we can do to do this. You can choose the Game of the Year edition, which is on Steam, the OG one, or the EA one. Well, for me per se, I'm gonna go with the old traditional Steam route. So I'm gonna go here, go here, go here, go here. copy this and paste it into here. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and open this up. This is the Delta patcher. This is where you want to apply the patch. So you want to have it be set like this. And once you have that set up like this, then you can safely click apply patch, and the patch has been successfully applied. Now you can safely close down this and start up the game, and you should get yourself a perfectly working Plants vs. Zombies to play. But there is more to this that I want to add on, and that would be to go here, search up PVZ DLC 2.5.1 save file editor. So you want to go ahead and install this. I have it installed multiple times, so copy this, and then paste it into here. So if you end up getting the error when you set up the save files, here's how to fix that. Okay, so what you want to do is replace that with DLC. So set something up like this. Oh, and to make this fully functional on hard mode, here's an advice. that I wanted to do. So I'm going to give out an example on how this works. I should probably lower down the volume because of copyright reasons. And I'm not prepared to get a copyright claim again. So it might say that it might say this, but you want to click on run anyways. Okay, so what you want to do is do this, and yeah, we're gonna get it started with showcasing what this mod might do. It shows you if you want to. It asks you if you want to skip to world 5-9. You can do this if you want, but when it comes down to the save file editor for hard mode, click cancel and then leave, and then so if we go ahead and click on the numbers, here's how we can get to 5-9 without actually skipping. Just like that, and here's how, and here's all your money right there. So yeah. You only get 3 pages in this selection until you complete the first adventure, and once you complete the first adventure, you get 6 pages to where you can get the premium plants, upgrade plants, and premium upgrade plants. Shooting stars is a reward for playing hard mode, while on the other hand, I don't want that to be the case, and hard mode should be reworked to where it's not that difficult, dude. Because hard mode's way too difficult for when you play a vase breaker. And I want to showcase that for an example, but I can't right now. So until then, this will be the end. And if this video gets like a 5, 10, or 15, or 20, or 1 million views / likes, then I will go ahead and play this mod alongside with Plants vs. Zombies 1. But anyways, this will be the end, and I will see you guys next time. See you laters, alligators. Bye-bye, everyone.